Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this problem, count salary categories. So it is a medium level problem. It has a simple table called accounts. It has two columns, account ID and income. Account ID is the primary key and income is the monthly income. Each row contains information about the monthly income for one bank account. So account ID is the bank account ID and income is the monthly income of that account. Okay. So we have to write a solution to calculate the number of accounts for each salary category. So salary categories are, these are the three different categories. So accounts which has less than 20,000 are called low salary accounts. Accounts which salaries range between 20,000 and 50,000, including both the values, are in the average salary category, and the accounts whose income is strictly greater than 50,000 are included in the high salary category. Now the result table must contain all three categories, and if there are no accounts in the category table, return 0. So this line is very important because of this line only, this problem gets a difficult. Because of this line only. If there was not, if this line was missing, or if they did not include this line, this problem would have been very easy. Why? Because we can easily make these categories using a case when statement. And if I put this part in a count function, then I can get the resultant table. That is for each category, what is the count. I can do a group by and easily solve the question. But because of this condition, this becomes a little bit difficult, because there might be a situation where there is no salary which belongs to any of this, um, or there is no salary which is like high salary category, because there might be a condition where there is no income which is greater than 50,000, or which is even greater than 20,000. Then what will happen? Every salary will be low salary. There is no average salary, there is no high salary. But for that type of question, for that type of situation, we have to return average salary equal to 0, high salary equal to 0. But that is, there is no accounts having average salary and high salary. We have to show that also. Okay. So how do I solve this problem? So let us understand this problem more by solving the example. So in this example, there are four accounts having different incomes. So you can see from the example, account ID 3 has more than 50,000, 8 also has more than 50,000 income, and 6 also has more than 50,000. So high salary accounts are 3, and this 12,000 is less than 20,000. So this is a low salary account. So low salary is 1, account count is 1, and house salary account count is 3. And there is no average salary, there is no salary in between 20,000 to 50,000 range. So average salary count is 0. Okay. So try to solve this, go to LeetCode, try to solve this problem. And I will be solving here after you have done. So how do I solve this problem? So first, let us ignore this part of the question. If there are no accounts in a category, then return 0. Let us ignore this part. Let us solve if, even if they in the output they are asking us to get this part, let us ignore this and try to find only this part. If there is low salary, I have to return the accurate count. If there is high salary, I have to return the accurate count. Okay. Try to solve only this part of the problem. So how do I solve this? I can use a simple CT with CTS. Select, I'm going to select the case when statement, right? Case when income is the less than, right? Less than 20,000. You will have 20,000, then this is called your low salary. Low salary as your, this is low salary. Then when the income between, I can use the keyword called between, which will include both the values, 20,000 and 50,000, both the extreme values. It will, the between keyword considers both the extreme values. Then it is what? Average, average salary and I can just use else. Only one condition left, else condition. So else what? High salary, high salary. Or I can write also the condition also, but let me write the condition. When income is greater than what? 50,000, right? 50,000, then it is high salary. Okay. Now I'm going to end the case when statement and as category. So I am selecting this from which table? From the name of the table was accounts. Okay. So let me show you what will this table return. Okay. So what will this return? So there is some output, high salary. What is the error here? Then there is a typing error. This is okay. So I am getting high salary, low salary, high salary, high salary. Okay, I am getting this output. There is no average salary. So what I can do is simply write the category here, category, and do the count star of ms accounts count. Okay. So and I have to do the group by also because the aggregation function group by one. Okay. So if I run this, I will get the count of each category. High salary 3 accounts were there, low salary 1. But now, okay, so this part is solved. Now we have to solve this part. How do I get, if there is no average salary, if there is no income level, so the average salary will be 0. No income level corresponding to the average salary or corresponding to a particular category, there will be no count of account of that category. So how do I include that part in the output? How do I include that? So for that, what I can do, I can make a separate table. I am going to make a separate table category where I will include all the required categories. Okay. Select. I'm going to select what are the categories. First, I need low category, low salary. Okay, as your category, I can write category. Okay. I'm going to do a union. Then I'm going to do up and again a select. See what I'm doing. I'm just uh, doing a union of all the categories. Low category, then average category, average salary, okay, salary, and then again union, then select high salary. Okay, I have done this part, category part. So if I select this, if I show you the category table, see low salary, average salary, high salary. Now there is the average salary is included in our table. I got the average salary part in a table. Now all I have to do is join this table, the category table, with the CTE table. So if I join this table with the CTE table, my job is done. So I'm going to do a left join with the CTE table. Okay, and write category as so CA, CTE as C on the which CA dot category must be equal to C dot category. Okay, so if I do this, I'm almost done. Now city. Now I got the average salary part. So if I take this as the category and I do a count on this part, my output is, I will get the required output. Okay, so I have to select the category. This is coming from the CA city, and this is CA table, and this is coming from the C table. This is coming for the category table, and this is coming for the C table, city table. Okay, so let me do the select correct selection. CA dot category. I need the CA dot category. Okay, because I need all the names, and then I do have to do the count of what C dot category. So whenever count faces a null, it will count it as 0. Okay, category as your accounts count. This is accounts count. Okay, now all I have to group by, last part group by. Now my query is complete. If I run this, this should work. Okay, it got accepted. Let me submit. Okay, it got accepted. Okay, with 60%. Let me resubmit. 56. Oh no. Come on, give me 80% above. 65 again. Last time I'm trying. 65 still. Sometimes the same query gives more than 80%. I don't know why this is happening. But thank you. I hope you have understood the solution, and I hope you have understood the part of the question, and why this, because of this part I have to write all this solution. Okay, otherwise this would have been a very simple problem. So I hope you have understood the solution, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.